Good morning, my people. How are you? It's another day, it's another Sunday. Yeah, how are you doing? What are your plans on this Sunday? Are you going to church? Are you already on the way? For me and my family, we are not going to church because we have guests in the house and we want to make them they're comfortable before they go back home. And so we have the house is full and we have a lot for you to do today. And right now we are taking the breakfast, and later Natasha has been doing chicken, so we're gonna do something like marinate it until we ready to cook it for later. So I'm welcoming you in my video, in my channel, in this house. Feel welcome and thank you so much. May you follow us, may you share our videos, and may you subscribe if you have not subscribed. But if you have subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. We appreciate so much. So come, let's do this together. So my people, the first thing we wanna do is to marinate our chicken, and I'm gonna mix all the spices that we need. And the first will be salt, and I think we need enough salt. And we'll also need black pepper, enough to taste. We'll also need paprika, enough to taste, enough for color also, so that we can do like 3 spoons. We'll also do garam masala, enough to taste. We'll also do cinnamon, enough to taste. And we do the oil and we do the milk. So this is how it look like. This is for marinating our chicken today. And so we will also do enough oil. And this is how the mix look like. This is how the mix look like. So I don't have any good place to marinate my chicken from, so we're gonna marinate it from here. So we're gonna put it here, because this to me it's not a good one. So we are not cooking, we are marinating. We need to remember that. So we will do our spices, and we will mix it with milk. The last time I made with milk, it was very nice. Everybody liked it, and I thought, why should I not do it again? You know, you do something and people like it, it's my joy. So we're gonna do that. If this milk is not enough, we're gonna do more. So I need something to this milk will be enough. So something else we need to do garlic on it. So Natasha is preparing the garlic. So Natasha, garlic ndio na kisu. Also do chili cubes or Royco cubes, the small ones. We're gonna crush them, and 3 small ones are enough for 2 chicken. Today I'm making 2 chicken. Most of the time I make 1 chicken, but today we are making 2 chicken. So garlic is the one that we need to do now. I'm also thinking to do Royco. I have never done Royco, but I will try today. It will not hurt to try something new today. Okay, so now it's garlic. Let's do garlic. No more, the more flavor it will be more nice, more tastier. So we are doing one garlic. I don't need to have how many pieces, but here. Let's do more. So let's make everything together. Natasha, come and help me. So we have marinated, so we need to put it in the fridge for some hours, then later we can prepare it. So we are putting it in the fridge. So let's put it in the fridge to marinate it, and then we can take it later. Mama, chukua tomato uende utupe kwa dustbin tusikanyange tuanguke. Sio chukue. Nataka
Hi, William.
Uncle. Wapi surprise ya watoto? Ndio surprise. Kuna surprise watoto wakikamia. Surprise iko wapi? Wapi surprise? Oh, Mungu wangu. Wewe surprise tembea. Tembea. Surprise yetu natembeanga. Surprise yetu natembeanga ikute. Sifunge macho nikiona chakula kile macho. Hata sidhani kuna ingine. Hata si surprise ni. Amepima? Uko ngapi mama? 2. Asante. Na mshauri kila mtu anasikia. How many?
Ako 14.
Yay!
I think I'm 44.
And
44.
44.
Yeah.
Yay! You're thinking?
78.8.
Wow.
78.
If we were some
Iko 70. 7.
I'm gonna reduce.
77.
I'm gonna reduce.
Yay!
I already have 75.
Yeah.
Kumbuka nimekula mikate 7.
Ayo, uko 70?
70?
3.5.
73.8. So I think I am 78.
Okay.
70!
70.5.
Yay! How many do you think you are?
Die is off scale.
How many think do you have?
78.
Okay.
Mom.
75.
75. Yeah, Natasha, you? How many do you think you have? What do you think?
Guess a number.
Ako na ngapi? Sasa ninafanya hivi kwa kamera na iko on. 63.
3.
Hebu Natasha nisha nione kitu ametuharibia. Na nakwambia mimi nitapost vitu mbaya mbaya.
It's already see?
0 error.
NBC. Ouch! Ouch!
Let's see.